Step 1. Shake the container well. Step 2. Connect your hose to the sprayer nozzle. Make sure that the switch is in the off position. Step 3. Turn on the water. Extend the hose to the farthest area of your yard to be treated. Step 4. Remove the safety tab from the sprayer's right side by pulling it straight out. Discard or keep the safety tab for future reuse. Step 5. Now you're ready to spray. Point the nozzle toward the desired treatment site. Pull the switch back towards the hose connection. Water will automatically mix with the product. Spray until the treatment site is wet. Walk at a steady pace, working your way back toward the faucet. Spray using an even sweeping motion, slightly overlapping the treated areas. Step 6. When you're ready to stop spraying, push the switch forward toward the nozzle. Then, turn the water off. You can relieve water pressure before removing the nozzle from the hose by pulling the switch back toward the hose connection until the water stops spraying. Step 7. When it comes time to store unused product, first make sure the switch is in the off position. If you've chosen to keep the safety tab, reinstall it into the sprayer's right side. With the sprayer off, push the tab into position. Finally, place the product in a cool area away from heat, sunlight, or open flame.